Do you want to see how my bathroom went from this to this? Then keep watching. Hey guys, my name is Jessie and lately I have been obsessed with spring cleaning. If you want to organise my bathroom with me, then stick around and we'll jump right in. The first thing I did was take out all the towels and face washes and anything that needed to be washed, and then I got down to a big spring clean. I took everything off the surfaces and wiped down the bench, the mirror, the sink and the cupboards. When everything was clean, I only put back the bare essentials. So I put back my skincare that I use every day, the hand soap, obviously, very important at the moment, wash your hands. So inside our cupboards has always been a kind of messy organised. So I went through and took out each little basket, I cleaned underneath it and checked if anything was empty or out of date, and then I put it all back in to make sure that it was still organised. We buy a lot of bathroom stuff in bulk, so that means we don't have to stock up very often, but we have to store everything. It really doesn't look the neatest, but right now we have compartments for everything and I know where everything is, so it works. Next I moved on to the bath. This wasn't too bad, it was just a little bit dusty and needed a quick wipe down, so that was easy. Then I went through and gathered up all the things that had been collecting on the side of the bath and sorted through them to either throw them out or send them off to be donated. And I gave the shelves that I'm going to put on the wall a bit of a dust. My partner and I both like to listen to music or audiobooks while we're in the shower or getting ready. So we had this little speaker that's hanging down and it was always plugged in. So I took this little hanging basket and put the charger and the speaker in there so that it was a little bit more protected from the water that splashes everywhere. Next I moved on to hanging up the shelves. I used the same 3M product that I used on these things, except these ones have the hooks on them. So I positioned the shelves where I wanted them to go and marked out where the hook would need to be with the grey lead. I started to put up the sticky hooks and used the first shelf to make sure that they actually held them up. And then I kept going with the other hooks and the other two shelves. I styled the shelves by putting up some bits and pieces that we use every day and a candle, because candles. Then I hung up some fresh towels and moved on to the dreaded shower cleaning. So like I've mentioned in a few videos before, we're in a rental and this shower, it basically looks dirty like 100% of the time. We have to give it a big deep clean pretty often because the bottom just gathers gunk like I've never seen a shower do before. It's gross. Luckily, right on cue, one of our adorable animals came in to give me a pep talk and keep me going. After the shower, I tackled my most hated area in this bathroom. These two empty voids beside the cabinet. I seriously don't know what people were thinking when they decided to put cupboards like this in bathrooms. All these spaces do is collect dust and grime, and they're gross and it sucks. Let's move on. I gave the last few things a quick wipe down, did a once over with the mop and let that air dry, and then I was done. A spring clean and some small changes can make a space feel so different. It already feels so much nicer to be in this bathroom. That's all from me today, guys. Please like the video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more room makeovers in the future. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Chainsaw? Really? Hey, can I film? No? Can I film? Okay. Again, it just stopped. You are so fluffy. Yay! It is both you. Hello. Mm.